Keeping a close eye on Hurricane Florence this evening, moving very slowly toward the North Carolina coast. Now, this storm will not impact our weather until early next week, but definitely a major problem for the southeastern part of the United States, including most of North Carolina and South Carolina. Category 2 hurricane this evening, watching for the updates through the evening. This storm is expected to slowly move inland and weaken as it moves into South Carolina and southern North Carolina, but still dumping a tremendous amount of rainfall as the winds slowly start to taper down on this storm, and then it starts to hook to the north. Now, this will be the question for our weather here at home, how soon this storm starts hooking north and what direction it takes. Now, that'll be into Monday and Tuesday locally for us. As far as the impacts of rainfall, it'll be a much weaker system by the time it gets into our region, but the consensus on the models basically gelling together. These are the spaghetti plots, all these lines showing you the direct path of each model's run of the center of that storm system. And you'll notice all of these basically taking an I-71 path across Ohio. That'll be into Monday and Tuesday. Now, rainfall is going to try to add up as this storm lifts off to the north and northeast. So a quick look at some of the computer models. These are the longer range models on into early next week. This one showing you the heaviest rainfall across eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania. That adds up to about an inch, possibly up to 2 in some spots. Nothing compared to what we had around last weekend. Another long range model also trying to bring that heavy rain northward here. But it looks like that model tries to keep it off to our southeast, putting us right on the edge of some of the heaviest rainfall of around an inch, possibly up to 2 down toward the Ohio River. This is still a long ways out, and we'll have to watch and see how this tracks on through. The good news is it'll be moving rapidly as it lifts northward here, and that'll help out keeping those rainfall totals down early next week. Tonight, isolated shower around through this evening. By morning, I'm concerned about some patchy fog. Temperatures will slide into the upper 60s. Through your Friday, you can expect yet another warm and humid day. Temperatures building through the lower 80s here on into the afternoon. And the chance of a shower is small, but not completely out of the question. Tomorrow afternoon into your evening. In fact, Friday night football looks like there's just a tiny chance an isolated shower could pop up. Otherwise, just staying warm and humid into the start of your weekend. So your forecast tonight down into the mid to upper 60s. Patchy fog with that isolated shower early. Temperatures in the low 80s tomorrow. Plenty of clouds around, but some sunshine too. Humid, chance of an isolated shower through the afternoon and evening. Over the next 7 days, we'll stay mostly dry this weekend. Low 80s Saturday. Good news for your YSU game. Sunday highs in the low 80s. Looking for some sunshine, a few passing clouds. The clouds will start getting thicker later Sunday, Sunday night, and Monday. And that's when we'll be watching for Florence's impacts here at home with the risk of rain showers building in Monday. Monday night should wrap up by Tuesday. And then we cool down by next Wednesday. Highs in the low 70s, mid 70s next Thursday. A small chance of an isolated shower or storm in the afternoon.